Juanita Suzanne Coco was an Australian child singer and variety performer who was a regular on the talent and variety television show, Young Talent Time. She appeared from 1987 to 1988, from the age of 11 to 13. Coco was often paired with Joey Dee for duets. She had replaced Vanessa Windsor on the show and was the 35th member to join. After the show's demise, Coco worked with a professional cover band on a regular basis until her final year of high school. She then formed a young band, Milk, who were working on original songs and about to start performing at the time of her death in 1993. On 2 May 1993, Juanita Coco attended her boyfriend, Scott Teagan's, 20th birthday party in North Melbourne. At the end of the evening, she got into a Subaru wagon driven by a female friend of another guest, accompanied by Teagan and his friend, Brad Lacey, 21 years old, and two other friends. As the vehicle traveled through Malvern, it ran a red traffic light and was broadsided by another vehicle. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.